So hey guys, it's KP here and you're watching KP Editing Zone. So today in this video we are going to create the typography text animation in KineMaster. So without any delay, let's start our video. Now open your KineMaster application and now create a new project. So now choose 16:9 ratio and click on next. So now go to the image option and add a black background. So after that go to the layer option and handwriting option and choose the following settings. Now choose the color and choose the size of the brush. So after that draw the shape. So you have to draw the rectangle shape like this. Now select the layer and go to in animation and choose in animation as draw by stroke, and you can choose your desired speed. So similarly go to out animation and choose out animation as erase by stroke and choose the speed. So now let's go to the layer section again. Now let's go to the image option and add a black background again. Now rotate the background and adjust in the position like this. So you have to make an angle of 45 degree here and adjust in this position. Now again let's go to the layer section and add a text layer. After that choose the font. Now increase the size of the text and align in the center. So now let's expand our timeline. So after the rectangle appears, now we have to add a text layer in this position. Now choose the font for your text. Now adjust the text in this position. So now let's animate our second text layer. So go to in animation and choose in animation as enter slide left. Now let's increase the speed of the animation. So for the out animation, let's go back and go to auto animation and choose out animation as exit slide right, and similarly increase the speed of the animation. So we have to adjust the second text layer in such a way that after the rectangle appears, then only the text layer appears. So you have to adjust properly to create a sequence like this. So you can see on the screen. So for the out animation, first of all the text layer get erased, then only the rectangle layer. So you have to adjust that both in proper sequence. So now let's animate our title text. So for that let's decrease the little length of this layer. So after that go to the key animation and add a key. So after that when the rectangle appears at that position, add a key again. So now let's go to the first key. So at this key position you have to send your text out of the frame from the left side, so you can see on the screen. And remember that the text should always be aligned in the center while sending it from out of the frame. Now let's create out animation. So for out animation, when the rectangle is about to disappear, add key at that position and add one key at the end section. Now at the in section you have to move this text out of the frame. So don't forget to align it in the center. So now let's see the result. So in this way you can easily create typography effect text animation in KineMaster. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also check playlist on the right for more text animation tutorials. So thank you for watching.